I got a call yesterday. It was a small clothes fashion um, family business. And what they told me is that 2 years ago, their earnings were $30,000 per month. The last month, last March, their earnings were just $1,000. So in 2 years, they lost almost everything. They do the right thing, they do Facebook advertising, they were doing Facebook advertising, and 2 years ago they had no eShop. Today they have an eShop. So 2 years ago they had just a Facebook page and they were running Facebook ads, and their earnings were $30,000 per month. And today they have this same Facebook page, they are running Facebook ads, and they also have an eShop. And their earnings are just $1,000 per month. So they lost everything because they are doing almost the same Facebook ads as they were doing 2 years ago. They didn't evolve at all. So the secret is not just doing Facebook ads, but doing it the right way. So if you not evolve and you're doing the same thing for a great amount of time, then you are dying.